For majority of our clients, over the years, they've accumulated so many different varieties of controllers for the sites to achieve different purposes. Whenever the new hardware they introduce to the control system, it has to be integrated to make sure they communicate with all other devices. And you may ask the question why the clients accumulate so many varieties of different hardwares on site. Well, there's going to be a historic issues there, and it's quite common issues for all our utility clients. Some of the major reasons for this to happen is, although they may want to go with a single vendor for all the control system hardwares and instrumentations and the SCADA servers, they may be limited with the budget, which means that they could not afford to buy. Some of the hardware is more expensive and the cost is higher than what their budget for. The other reason is it's very difficult, or sometimes it's impossible to get one vendor to meet all the criteria for the operation requirement. So they may have to go out for multiple vendors to grab the hardware and the software from each and every vendors for achieving the purpose or the requirements for the operation. And the third reason is, over the years, the site operator may have their own preference of which control system hardware and software they prefer to operate with. For example, some people maybe prefer to work with the Siemens hardware. Some other site operators maybe prefer to work with Schneider's hardware, ABB, GE, Koyo, Omron, something like Rockwell. So they all have their individual purposes. Unfortunately, as the turnover of their positions, each new person come in, they will bring their own preference to their position. As soon as they got a bit of influence to the purchasing, procurement departments of their company, they start to tell the procurement manager to buy a certain hardware for their own preference.